Okay. Dog. Denji going crazy. Hold on, bro. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to some more Chainsaw Man. Last week, Denji was on demon time. Like, bro was going crazy in that fight last week. That was just a crazy fight overall. Like, that shit was just like way more than I thought it was gonna be last week, bro. But we finna jump to the new episode, so let's get to it. All right, y'all. I was finally able to get on Crunchyroll for once to watch Chainsaw Man, so that's cool. Bro, what? Power, are you good, bro? Not the bear. Why she walk up and make the axe like that though? That shit was sweet. There go the cat. Now after last week, I was mad at Power, but now that I'm thinking about it, somebody had my dog and said this shit to me. I might have done the same shit, so I'm my fault, Power. I'm not mad at you no more. Oh wow, the cat not dead? Wow. I knew Power wasn't dead, but I thought the cat was for sure dead. Damn, Denji. Bro got packed up. All right, bro. He talk about. She gave you permission? That's crazy. He looking like, what? Look how happy he just got. Oh shit! How did that happen? What is that? What? Where did this come from? So bro doesn't have a hand anymore? Damn, Denji, he done took your hand, bro. What we gonna do? Oh shit. It like barely came out this time. So the amount of blood he got relies on if the chainsaw come out or not. Okay. Y'all devils begin relationships? Alright. Can't let that slide. You gotta die. Didn't you look, you trying to fight that shit without your chainsaw? But he look kind of cold with his chainsaw like just barely sticking out. I don't know why. Oh shit. Damn. This shit is already crazy. You just started, bro. Hey Denji, bro, how we getting out of this shit? Man, Aki better pull up or something, bro. Damn. But why can't Power move though? Like, what's wrong with her? You blocked that shit? Hey man, Denji say anything for the ass and the titties. Okay, hold on. It's not no trashy dream, bro. Let Denji do what he want to do. Oh my God, his arm. You're crazy, Denji. Denji said, I'm not your average shonen protagonist. I want to feel some shit. Alright, talk crazy to her ass then, Denji. Okay. Dog. Denji going crazy. Hold on, bro. Dog. This nigga Denji is sweet, bro. Now, if he can just always be locked in like this, we're good. That's the thumbnail. That was the thumbnail. Bro, look at his face. If Denji wins this fight and he's... Wait. Oh! Power last minute do some shit. Is that Aki? Yes, sir, my boy. Okay. Con. Oh, shit. Con, I like that shit. Damn, who are these people? She not gonna make it, bro. She looks scared already. Denji almost got packed up, bro. We gotta be more careful next time. He found it? Oh, wow. Man, I thought you hated all devils, Aki. Don't start changing them now.
俺は狐の悪魔と契約している。力を借りる代わりに体の一部を狐に食わせる契約だ。今回皮膚を食わせた。エリア外に行くお前たちが確認されている。それにコウモリの悪魔が潜んでいる。
Oh, so they've been watching this shit the whole time.
人に直接お会いしたいと。
ありがとう。悪魔に
And she got fans? Oh shit.
お礼を言いたくて。
Hey, Denji, you making an impact. Good shit.
お前が一つだけ条件を飲むなら今回は見逃してやる。
What's the condition?
聞くこと。お前はバカでガキで動物を守れるぜ。
That sounds easy enough, but Aki don't milk it.
頭に入れといてやら。
Till I'll keep it in mind. That wasn't a straight answer, bro. Okay, Denji.
利用するだけです。慣れ合うつもりはないですよ。
Shit, you not making friends. Denji is. Bro, gotta make sure he's fit right. Like, how do I look?
いるからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。
Gun flesh? What do you mean gun flesh? Also, last week I said something about like it being a gun devil in the show, but I was just playing around. But y'all saying there's really a gun devil in the show at some point, and it's really important. So I'm scared to see what that shit's about.
何も変わってないですよ。俺は。
That devious ass look, Makima, bro. Get off my screen. That's a nice ass shot, bro. This shit nice as hell. This man is really like living life chilling. So you go with this bread and shit, bro. Don't overdo it again. Or maybe he did. He got all that shit on the table. He already overdid it. Okay, we got Chef Aki in the building. All right. Hey, bro. Denji, why are you on your knees walking, bro? Get up. Who the fuck at the door? Oh, it's Power. So they both living here now? Aki like, bro, hell no, get out. Bro, it's Power. She just said that shit because you was right there. She not finna behave. She about to start acting out. Hey, bro, look at this shit. What? Aki is tired of this shit. Denji tired of it too. Shit, devil. Oh, Power's a freak. She want him to do it, nah. She's a freak. Denji can't believe this shit. 3 squeezes. All right, Denji, you better make use of them 3 squeezes then. Man, you earned your right to touch him, Denji. She can't wait for him to do it. She already messing with her hair and shit. She's an angel. No, I wanted to see him do it. Y'all wrong as hell for ending up the episode before we seen it, bro. No way. That man, Denji, is about to get freaky next week. She want him to do that shit because Denji hasn't said nothing about it since that fight happened, so he low-key probably forgot about it. No, that's funny as hell, bro. Power, you're a freak. But all right, so that's all I got for this video. Another W-ass episode from Chainsaw Man. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.